Hello guys! Hello, my name is E and I'm G. We are EG! So today we will talk about something really easy.
What about it?
It's about multiplication.
Oh, but now we will do it in ancient people ways.
Okay, so can you solve this problem? Well, maybe all of you can solve the problem with modern math or calculator.
But before calculator or modern math were found, ancient Egypt people found ways to solve multiplication problem in a fanciest ways.
So, ancient Egypt people have two ways to solve the problem: doubling ways and halving ways.
And in this video, we will explain how to use it. And now, let's jump to it. Okay, so let's say we have a problem like 12 multiplied by 13, it equals, in modern math we usually write like this: 12, and then in the bottom of 12 we write 13, and we write like this, and we do the multiplication like 2 times 3, that equals 6, and then 3 times 1 equals 3, and 1 to 2 equals 2, and 1 times 1 equal 1, and then we sum it all. It become like this. So we could easily say 12 times 13 equals 156. And now I want to explain it with doubling method. Wait, I will write this. Doubling method. I'm sorry for my drawing. We already know that 12 times, or 12 multiplied by 13, it's equal 156, right? And in doubling method, first of all, we need to draw a line to separate two columns. Let's draw again to make it easier. To separate two columns, the left column and right column, because we want to know 12 multiplied by 13. So the left column, we said it 12, and the right column we said is for 13. So the method is, first in left column we write 1, and then we double it, like the name doubling method. We double it, so 1 double, it's 2, and then double again is 4, 8, 16, and etc. But we only use the number in left column that's not greater than 12, so we can easily delete the 16. And then, because we want to know 12 multiplied by 13, we draw this one. We write this: start of the right column is 13, and then we double it again, it becomes 26 and 52, and then 104. Then we choose, on left column we sum it until it equals 12, so we will choose this 4 and 8. If we sum it, it will becomes 12. And then on right column we choose it again, we choose this, because 52 is like this and 104 is like this, and then we sum it, so we can write like this to make it easier: we sum, it will become 6, 5, and 1. Or we can say, what it is, okay, 12 times multiplied by 13, it becomes 156. For another method, it's called halving method. It will be explained by my partner, and his name is E.
So I'm gonna explain you about halving method. We have same problem. 12 multiplied by 13, we know that is equals to 156. Now we're gonna use halving method. The first step is we write 12 and 13 in separated line. 12 line and then 13. Okay, the next step is we're gonna half the 12 is equals to 6. Half it again, 3, and we're gonna half it again, it's become 1.5, but we're gonna write it down, it's 1, right? And the right column, we're gonna double it. 13 double, we're gonna double the 13 is equals 26, double it again, 52, and so on. And then we're gonna find the odd number is 3 and 1. And we know the 3 in the right column, in the left column is in 52 in the right column, 1 in 104. And then we're gonna sum it, 52 plus 104 equals 156. That's the halving method. So I have some problem, 7 times 11, and we will gonna calculate with doubling method. So the first one is I will write 7, 11 separated with lines like this, and then in the left column I will start at 1 and then double it again 2 and so on for 8, but 8 is greater than 7, so I will not include it. Okay, so in the right column I will write first 11 and then 22 and then 44. So I will find a number that if the number is in the sum, okay, it's 7. Okay, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So I will use in the right column 11, 20, and 44, and then I will sum it. 11 plus 22 plus 44 equals 77. So 11 times 7 equals 77. For the halving method, we will give it the problem to our viewers.
So, right now, you know a little bit history about mathematics, especially in multiplication. Those methods were the origin of modern math. Mind blown, right? Our life is like math. If it's too easy, there must be something wrong. So, let's learn mathematics. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Arithmetic and geometry. Arithmetic and geometry. Do the math, yeah, you gotta do the math. Let's know the formula, never forget it. Math on, think it math on. Math on, think it math on. Arithmetic and geometry. Let's know the formula, never forget it.